Spinning out, I can't tell if you were here or not around. Is it a mirage I see, standing right next to me? I feel it now, it's the fever in my body, it ripples down. This love is such a limitless, baby, and I don't wanna come down safely. So we call to relapse, then nothing more. How we just fools in the void, going back and forth. Fall through the cracks onto your couch. What am I to do? I can't be with you, but can't go without you. Don't even get it. You're all I see. Feels like we're two ghosts in the cemetery, dancing with the angels under our feet. And to think we were stuck in purgatory. You read me like a poem, and it makes me weak to think that there is someone who really sees my never-ending sadness, the opacity. How did I find such a digital cinema? Did you know it's where you've made my mind become such a wrong comedy, playing in my head for free? But I need you now. I'm nothing without your sound, piercing through me. So I'll stay by this paper. You don't even get it. You're all I see. Feels like we're two ghosts in the cemetery, dancing with the angels under our feet. And to think we were stuck in purgatory. You read me like a poem, and it makes me weak to think that there is someone who really sees my never-ending sadness, the opacity. How did I find such a digital day? You're such a, 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 you're such a. Looking through a glass that never breaks, it just reflects the empty space. How could we ever call this fate, when half in love and half in pain? Is this too much to say so soon? Am I projecting onto you? Just forget it, let's resume. 'Cause if you spin me